In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Canva design onto a Wix website. This is a great way to showcase your creative work directly on your website. Whether you're presenting a portfolio, a promotional design, or just something visual that enhances your content. Let's get started with these easy-to-follow steps. First, you'll want to open your Canva design that you'd like to embed. Once you have your design in front of you, look towards the top right corner of your screen for the Share button. Clicking on this button opens a world of options for you to distribute or display your design, but for our purpose, go ahead and select More from the drop-down menu. This will present you with a variety of options, and you'll need to choose Embed. After you've clicked Embed, you'll notice an option to copy the embed code. Simply click on Copy, and this will copy your unique embed code to your clipboard. Now that you have your embed code handy, you'll move over to your Wix editor. If you're not familiar with Wix, it's a user-friendly website builder that allows you to customize websites without any prior coding knowledge. Once you're in the Wix editor, look on the left side of your screen to find the Add button, which is symbolized by a plus sign. Click on it to reveal a list of elements and features you can add to your page. Here, you'll want to scroll down and select Embed. This will give you a couple of choices, but for our purpose, select Embed a Widget or Embed HTML. This option is perfect for inserting custom codes like the one you've copied from Canva. With the Embed window open in your Wix editor, you'll see a box where you can paste the embed code. Just click inside the box and use the Paste command to insert the code you previously copied from Canva. Once your code is in place, you'll see your Canva design appear. It's as simple as that. Now comes the fun part, adjusting the size of the embedded element to fit seamlessly on your Wix page. You might need to click and drag the corners of the box around your design to size it appropriately so that it fits well within the aesthetic of your site. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a Canva design on your Wix website. This process is straightforward, but don't worry if you don't get it exactly right on your first try. You can always go back to the steps and make adjustments as needed. Embedding content like this not only enhances your site's visual appeal, but also adds a dynamic element that can engage your visitors. Thanks